The Internal Revenue Code is the primary body of federal tax law in the United States. Let us break down what it actually is. Think of the code as the massive rulebook that defines how the federal government collects taxes from individuals and businesses. Formerly known as Title 26 of the United States Code, it contains thousands of pages detailing every tax obligation you might encounter. It manages your income tax brackets, defines what you can deduct, and sets the rules for retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs. Congress writes the code, but the IRS writes regulations to explain how those laws work in everyday life. The code has grown significantly in length and complexity over the decades, as new tax incentives and policies have been added. Remember that tax law is often used to encourage certain behaviors, like saving for retirement or buying a home. Understanding the basics helps you navigate your financial life. Consult a qualified professional for your specific tax situation. Thanks for watching.